Good morning or good afternoon, depends on when you're watching the video. We're going to talk about how to create your vision board for your Meet Me on the Slides presentation in Canva. So go ahead and head to canva.com. I already have it pulled up. As you can see right here, it's just canva.com. And what this is it is a digital poster or digital content making website. So if you want to make something that's visually appealing, typically for a digital presentation, this is the great place to go. They got posters, logos, Instagram posts, videos, Facebook posts, like everything you could want to do up here. So we are going to go ahead and hit create a design. And you could use poster for your vision board, which is 100% fine. If you notice, it's going to be tall and long, like an actual poster. I personally like the logo because it's square, or I like the Instagram post because it's a little bit more square. So we're going to hit Instagram. So let's let it load for a second. So you can see it's a nice, pretty square posters with a lot of nice space for me to work with. So before we really get into it, you'll notice there's a bunch of really awesome templates that you can choose from. So if you like one of these backgrounds, you can go ahead and click one, and then you can start removing stuff. So let's say I really like this neat, kind of looks like a poster thing, or not a it kind of looks like a concert poster, but I don't like all the words. So if you click on the words, the text box will appear. I clicked on the words, not the text box, everybody. Oh, Lord. All right, click on the text box. It should delete. Okay, but I liked this little background part, so I'm going to keep that. If you do not like any of the templates, which is fine, go down here to where it says background, and it offers you can do solid colors. It also offers you all these beautiful different little backgrounds that you can embed in it. So let's say I really like this right here, but I also really like this yellow. Now I can have both. If I like this, that seems like a lot. We're going to get rid of that. But you guys get the point. You can play around, add stuff to it. So let's add this nice little brick background to it, because why not? So the whole point of a vision board is to visually show your goals for the future. And I told you in the instructions that these can be personal goals. These can be professional, like career goals. They can be school goals. It's 100% up to you what you share on this vision board. It is just for me to see something a little bit more about you. And the cool thing about it is you can put whatever pictures you want without explaining. So you can be as symbolic as you want to be, or you can be as literal as you want to be with your vision board. So it's really cool. One of my goals, so I'm in the photo section, excuse me, I skipped a spot. I'm in the photo section because it's a vision board. It's a visual representation of what I want in my future. One of the things that I really want this year, because we're all virtual and it's new to me, I really want to be a productive teacher. So I'm going to take this picture and I just drag it out to the side. I'm going to put it right here. Oh, no. Hold on, let me click off of something. There we go. I'm going to drag it right here. Okay, well, this is getting upsetting. So we're gonna change the size. So apparently we're just gonna do this this whiteboard thing. If you do, so it will change the size, but it can also, you notice how it's moving stuff around. It will also go and move. It'll crop it as well. So you can double click and you can change the picture. I just suggest that you click. This is gonna sound bad. I suggest with Canva that you just click. Just click. Click, 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 and hope for the best. So I'm going to put this picture up here to represent the fact that I want to be a productive teacher. All right? So there's my one picture. I'm going to fill this up with all these cool pictures. Now, before my time runs out, you can also add text. All of these cool pre-made text can be edited. You can click on them and change them. And then finally, you can upload your own images if you want to into your Canva. I hope this is helpful. Just play with it and have a good time.